Right? No, no jumping. Go get it. Give me the toy. Give me the toy. Got your butt. Hey, give me the toy. One more? One more time? Dudley. Oops, I threw it into a bin. That was sheer luck. Dudley. Yes, the food's over there. It's not lunchtime yet. No, and the kitty does not want to play with you. No, she doesn't.